Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing our weekly check-in. So this is going to be week 2 and the dates are going to run from the 6th through the 12th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. I do a lot of budgeting, meal planning, grocery hauls. If you have a new video that you would like me to do, let me know down below also. And if you have a channel, let me know because I will go and support you guys. All right, so this week is pretty much the same. I had no spends and then I spent a lot of money. So we're just going to get right into it. So first off, I'm going to just color in. So if you watched my weekly check-in last week, you know that I don't have any no spend stickers. I'm trying to save up money and everything. So we are just coloring in with the green color. So I'm just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit. So I'm going to color everything in first for my no spends. So on the 6th, the 7th, the 11th, and the 12th, I had no spends. So we are just going to color this in. And we're just going to, you know, talk about life. So last week, you know, if you watched, I did get a nice paycheck. And I did put a lot towards my savings, and then I did a lot of shopping too. Okay, you know, not gonna hide that. I did do some shopping. I gave some money to my mom, so it was actually a pretty good week. Now the next paycheck, I should be getting my taxes in soon. Let me know if y'all have done y'all's taxes. I usually do it off of TurboTax. I do it myself because it's literally just me. I'm not married. I have no kids. I don't own a home. I mean, I own a car. That's about it. But that's pretty much it. So let me know what y'all are, like, how y'all file y'all's taxes. All right, and then on the 11th and the 12th, we're just going to flip this over real quick. And I'm just going to color this in. So let me just color this in and then we will skip to the rest of the week. All right, you guys, so I have colored all of my boxes as no spend, and I just realized while I'm coloring it, I really don't like coloring in. I miss my no spend stickers, but I know I have to save up money, you guys. I really do. All right, so moving on. Let's see. On Saturday, we did do some spending. We got some gas. Wrong stickers. Gas was $20. And these stickers are from Simply Cami. She's actually on vacation right now. But she's great. You get your stuff in like 3 days, less than a week actually. And she's amazing. Groceries. We spent a lot because I got paid. And we had to get a lot of restock, like meats and everything else. So groceries was $55. All right, and then fun money, which we went to Target and I did a little bit of shopping there. And then Walgreens, I did some couponing, so I'm just gonna say shopping because I don't want to use 2 yellows, you know what I mean? I don't want to use 2 yellows and then it'll be clashing and everything. I mean, it'll be fine. I'll just add them together. So 39 plus 15 equals to $54. All right, and then that is it for the 8th. Let's flip it on around, and then on the 9th, we used our cushion fund. We went antique shopping, so that was $80 spent. I know, you guys, I love antique shopping. It's amazing. So that was $80. And then that is it for the 9th. And then moving on to the 10th, we did Transfer Tuesday, which was coming out of my cushion fund also. I'm going to say Transfer Tuesday, so that's TT. And that was $20. Oh, and I did a Amazon gift, and I used my debit card also, so that was $10. So we actually have $30 that we spent. So we're going to say TT and Amazon TT. That sounds so weird. It's like you're calling your aunt or something. All right, so that was $30. I'm going to put it down here. And then that is it. So overview. We had 1, 2, 3, and 4 no spends. We have gas for $20, groceries $55, shopping is $54, antique shopping was $80, and then Transfer Tuesday and Amazon was $30. All right, so let's move to our weekly check-in. Now, these are just washies that I actually bought, and I just lined them up and everything, so it looks okay. The writing could be better, you know. All right, so gas was, of course, $20. So we have $40 left. Groceries was $55, so we should have $45 left. Fun money, we spent $54 out of 100. So that is $46 left. Out to eat, we have been doing really good. Jared actually pays, I'm just saying. I'm not going to lie, Jared pays for our out to eat. All right, and then cushion was $30 and $80. So that's 110. So let me just make sure. Plus 80 equals 110 is how much we used out of 200. So that would be $80. No, $90 left actually. Trying to do math in my head and it's not working. $90. Let me just make sure. Yep, $90. And then sinking funds, we did not spend any sinking funds right now. Oh, I still have $681. All right, you guys, so that is my weekly check-in. Let's just do a little recap. I spent $55, leaving me $45 left in groceries. Gas, I spent $20, leaving me $40. Fun money, I spent $54, leaving me $46. No out to eat. Cushion, I spent $110, making only $90 left. Sinking funds is $0, making it $681. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if y'all are enjoying these videos. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I would really appreciate it for your support. I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.